How are you doing today? I'm Mr. Frog. Have a kiss? Shake my hand. Give me a high. Can I have a high five?
No.
Hey.
He said no.
Hey. Can I have a high five? High five. High five. What? Ready? High five. You high five him. High five.
Ooh. Lawrence. Lawrence, let me see it.
Oh, wow! Oh!
Here, say hi. Here. Give it a smooch.
Ready? Look.
You see him pucker?
Give me one. Give me a kiss, Frog. Give me a kiss, Frog.
Mwah.
What? Wait.
Mwah.
Give me a kiss. Ready? Give me a kiss. Mwah. You give him a kiss. You give him a... No. All right.
He's nice.
Mommy, don't be mean to me.
He's a nice frog.
Yeah, see? Hi, Froggy. You're so nice. Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You want to shake his hand? Say nice. Yeah, see? Nice to meet you.
Ow! Look at me!
But he keeps saying ow. It
Near death experience with a frog?
hurts. No. He didn't like the fish. He didn't like
Nice
fishing.
to meet you.
And my mother!
You do it. Nice to meet you.
Ow!
Find that lizard. Lawrence,
Take me anywhere.
what is this? Is this a frog? It's a frog.
Ribbit.
Can you give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss.
Ooh.
Oh!
Why are you on my table?
It's your button.
Where's the button?
And it's money.
Lawrence, look.
On his shoulder.
Oh!
You see his face kills me. Lawrence, what's that?
Why is that? Ow! Does that hurt?
Way to go.
Alright, that's torture.
Give him a roar.
Oh my god. Leave him alone. Leave me alone.
He's really trying to get away.
Leave him alone. Elder, get off of there.